Hi friends, today we discuss few sentences by using I am feeling. Okay, so generally we use I am feeling in present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. To express your present feeling, we use I am feeling to express your present feeling, your present feeling. Okay, right. For example, here I am feeling happy means present, at present. Now I am feeling happy. Now I am feeling sad. At present I am feeling surprised. I am feeling angry. I am feeling annoyed. Annoyed means angry. Okay. I am feeling jealous. I am feeling calm. I am feeling shy. I am feeling confused. At present, I am feeling relaxed. Now, I am feeling nervous. At present, I am feeling hungry. Now, I am feeling hungry. Now, I am feeling sleepy. Now, I am feeling sick. Now, I am feeling hot. Okay, so we can write many sentences to express your present feeling by using the phrase I am feeling. I am feeling happy. I am feeling sad. I am feeling surprised. I am feeling angry. I am feeling annoyed. I am feeling jealous. I am feeling calm. I am feeling shy. I am feeling surprised, confused. I am feeling relaxed. I am feeling nervous. I am feeling hungry. I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling sick. And I am feeling hot. Okay, so we use this phrase I am feeling to express your present feeling. Okay, so in present continuous tense we use this sentence. What is the usage of present continuous tense? An action which is going on at present. An action which is going on at present. So here according to sentence structure, I subject, am helping verb. Okay, this is the expression. Okay, feeling, right? Thank you for watching my videos. I request you all, please watch my videos, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, General English 466. Thank you very much for your support.